everything that I love about winters, there is just one thing I wish was better: my skin during these cold months. Fighting dry skin is a task of its own, and everyone is looking for easy, affordable and efficient options. So I have brought you the solution: DIY Ayurvedic Face Masks. 5 DIY Ayurvedic face pack for winters. Almond honey and rose water mask is an excellent mask for dry and blemished complexion. Almond flour, milk and honey deeply nourish the skin, while rose water serves as a brightening toner. Mix 2 tablespoons each of milk powder and almond flour with 1 tablespoon each of honey and rose water. Apply this paste evenly to the face, neck and the décolleté. Leave on for 20 minutes. It will get a bit dry. Rinse with cold water. This mask is gentle enough to use daily. Yogurt contains zinc and lactic acid, which respectively eases inflammation and exfoliates. Massaging plain yogurt onto the face removes dead cells, tightens the pores, eases fine lines and hydrates. Mix the whites of the 2 eggs and with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, apply this mix to freshly cleansed skin and leave it on for about 7 minutes. Wash off with warm water, then follow with a final cool water rinse. Banana face masks are superstars for the skin. They're loaded with vitamin B6, iron, manganese, vitamin C, potassium, biotin and copper. These nutrients help to rejuvenate the complexion and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Blend half a mashed banana, juice of 1 lemon and 2 teaspoons of milk with 2 cubes of mashed avocado. Once pureed, apply this mask on the face and neck. Let it sit for 20 minutes and wash off with milk or water. This mask is excellent for weekly use. Yogurt, oatmeal and honey mask. Now, oatmeal gently exfoliates dead cells. Honey provides antibacterial and antimicrobial action while also being an exceptional skin moisturizer. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Add a dash of honey and stir together until the mixture is even. Allow the honey to come to room temperature first to allow for easier mixing. Papaya and lemon moisturizer. Papaya makes for a great ingredient in your DIY face pack as it has a warm potency. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which are known for their skin brightening and bleaching properties. Lemon is also a natural astringent, which removes dark spots and tanning on the skin. Now mash a ripe papaya and squeeze the juice of half a lemon in it and mix well. Apply this to the face and arms for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water to get glowing and moisturized skin. These at-home remedies are just a helping hand that can help combat dry skin. Choose wisely and keep watching this space for more videos.